Hello everyone. So these are the class 8 social science chapter wise questions and most important selective questions are there. So prepare well. First chapter, who is considered the father of Indian history? So you can get answers below. B is the correct answer. Next is, which year did the British establish their first census in India? 1872. Chapter 2, Chapter 3, ruling the countryside. Which system of revenue collection was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in Bengal? So, permanent settlement. Next, the Indigo Revolt took place in 1859. Move to the next question. The British referred to the outsiders in tribal areas as the Coos. So, A is the correct answer. The Munda rebellion was led by Birsa Munda. Next one, chapter 5. The revolt of 1857 began in which city? To Meerut. Who was declared the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Delhi? Bahadur Shah Jafar. Next, why did we need a parliament? So, the Parliament of India consists of how many houses? Two. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next, member of the Lok Sabha are elected for a term of 5 years. Chapter 4, Understanding Laws. Which of the following is not a type of law? So, fundamental law. C is the correct answer. Next, the right to information. RTI Act was passed in 2005. 2005 में पास हुआ था और लागू कब हुआ था? 2009. So, Chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resources. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? तो इसमें से फॉसिल फ्यूल कौन सा नहीं है? विंड एनर्जी नहीं, बाकी सारे फॉसिल फ्यूल्स हैं. द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ बॉक्साइट इन द वर्ल्ड इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट, जियोग्राफी. चैप्टर 4, विच टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इन्वॉल्व्स ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स मेनली फॉर सेल्फ कंजप्शन? सो सब्सटेंस फार्मिंग. लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द रिच इन द वर्ल्ड इज चाइना. लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ राइस इन द वर्ल्ड इज चाइना. राइस सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे हो रहा है? अभी लीड कर रहा है चाइना. कोलोनियलिज्म एंड द सिटी कौन सा हो जाएगा? दिल्ली. द फेमस आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश इन इंडिया वाज इंडिगो गोथिक. नेक्स्ट, चैप्टर 5, civics. The Supreme Court of India is located in Delhi. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by President. Geography, chapter 5. Which industry is known as a sunrise industry? Information technology industry. So, next question, Jamshedpur is famous for which industry? So, iron and steel. History, chapter 7. The first cotton mill in India was set up in Mumbai. The TESCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company, was established in 1907. Understanding our criminal justice system. So, who files a case against an accused in a criminal case? So, B is the correct answer. Move to the next question. A person is considered innocent until proven guilty. So, A is the correct answer. The Battle of Plassey was fought. So, A is the correct answer. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? So, Lord Dalhousie. B is the correct answer. The Indian Constitution, chapter 1. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights? So, part 3. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? So, fundamental right इसमें से कौन सा नहीं है? So, right to property. B is the correct answer. Next, India is a secular country because it treats all religions equally. That's why it is a secular country. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the right to freedom of religion? So, 25. D is the correct answer. Geography, chapter 1. Restart. Which of the following is a renewable source? Solar energy. Which is an example of biotic resources? So, forest. Which type of soil is best for growing cotton? Black soil.